Hello, hi everyone. So today I came with the new concept called email template builder. Okay, so Salesforce has the documentation how to enable that, how we can use that. We will see in today's video. Okay, before that, there is a one video I have created a lightning email template earlier. If you are not seen that, please visit that. It will be visible in a eye icon the above. Okay, so let's jump into the our concept. Email template builder. So the what is use of email template builder? So usually we will use classic email templates in the classic email templates to drag and drop or to do the some designing. We used to use a customer HTML template, right? So for that, the alternative it is the Salesforce itself. Is giving a one builder. You can just drag and drop whatever the component is available under the email template builder. That will be become as a email template. So let's jump into the how we can enable that. What is the permissions we require to enable that? So we'll go that. Okay, so before that, I'll just tell you. So currently, what where we are in a Lightning email template. So this is a Lightning email template I opened. So if you see here, you have to write a, you have to design like Word document or whatever you have to design, or you can go by the source code and writing HTML, right? So instead of that, it should be open as a builder and drag and drop the components what can be visible here. So that type of a feature is providing a Salesforce. Let me go to the documentation and I'll explain some things. So what we have to do is here to enable the Lightning email template builder. So first of all, this will be available this all the versions. So even for developer version also. That's why I'm able to show it in a developer version. So this will be like this. We'll do that demo here. So considerations, yes, there will be every future. There will be some considerations in a Salesforce, right? So just you can go through this document. What the considerations? What is the limitations here? So now, who can do the Lightning email? You can work on the Lightning email template builder. So for that, what we need is we need to enable this permissions. Is that if it is your custom profile, you can do that, or else you have to create the custom permission set. Okay, so let me jump to create the one permission set. Okay, so permission set. I'm going to create a new permission set. So, so what the steps is saying, uh, permission set and select the permission set, create a permission set and go to the system permissions and edit, make this checkboxes check and save it. Okay, so I'm just going email template builder. Okay, so I'm just selecting here the Salesforce license. Salesforce license. Okay. Is it not mandatory? But usually you can without license also you can do that. So I need a so the permission set. So usually what we have to go is system permissions here, or else you can find if you know that you can edit and enable. Okay, so here it is, the permission set. I'm just editing and assigning. Just make it is true, and we have again assign the permission set to assign someone set to user. Okay, so I'm just saving this. Okay, so I'm going to assign this permission set to my user. Email template builder. Yes, I assigned. So what is the next? So that is a required. So now I'm just going for the email templates. We have a email template. So in this we have a new email template. I'm just selecting. Okay, so related entity we usually will select the object for merge fields, right? That is a this related entity, and where you want to store this, you can store this test demo. So if you have a letterhead, you can do the letterhead. If you want to know how to create a letterhead, I have a created one video earlier. So please go through that. I'll keep it in I button. Okay, so what next? You are doing normally how it looks, right? So, but yes, here it is the thing. So we have assigned the permission set. Usually we'll get the button here, edit in a builder. But edit in a builder will come to assign after assigning the permission set. It took some time to visible this button. So usually either we have to wait for some time or you have to create a brand new email template after assigning you to your permission set. So I just created a one email template that shows the edit in builder. Okay, so what will happen once you click in this builder edit in builder button? It will take you to in a builder side, and this checkbox will be checked. Okay, so I'm just clicking on this. So it has taken to the builder. See, this is what it is looking. So what we can do in this email template builder, so you can divide your page in multiple uh, columns, rows, how it you want. So what you have to do, you just click on styles, uh, or or else you can select the layouts here. The styles which you want to show the background image, you can give the background image here, selecting the from file, or else you can give the your URL. Or if you want to change the background color, something, I'm just giving a color which, okay, it's not look good. Okay, so this will change the background only the sides. Okay, and then I'm going to select the uh, columns. So let's assume I'm going by 2 by 2 layout. Okay, so for the 2 by 2 folder, so we have to select the layout here. I'm just selecting the layout. Wow. which layout you want and divide the column. So first what I'll do is I'll select the two columns. One is 3 by 1. Okay, so some more rough point like this. Okay, okay, let's assume I don't want to go by this. I'll go by three columns, one column, two headers. Okay, one column, fine. I want to be insert one more column, so the below that, and one more column for hey, this is a header, is a footer, is a body. Okay, in this way I want to go. So if you see here, these three columns, you can divide again into the multiple columns. So in this, I just want to be keep the width. Let me add a here a two columns again. Inside this, I'll add a button. Sorry, not a button. I want to insert a image as a footer. Sorry, as a header. I'll select the header image. So what should be the image? How to select this image? I'm just checking if I have any images I'll upload, otherwise I'll upload from the okay, let me upload. Yeah, I'm just uploading is big image, of course, but I can able to adjust that image height and width. So I want to the width is 100%, but height should be the 25%. No, it's not look good. 75%. Okay, pixels. It's not a fix percent. It's a pixels actually. If you see here, oh, this is too much. 275. Yeah, it's look good. That's what I was looking, but yeah, looks good. Then coming to this, if you want to add some background, you can add background also here. So I'm just selecting the light background here. Okay, and then footer. I'll add a footer as a rich text area. So that rich text area will be editing here itself. So usually how we'll write the thank you. mm, we okay, something if you want to add a more let's assume if you want to add more text like anything you can add. I'm just copy pasting here. We don't want to be spend more time here. The video length will be becoming use. So you can write some footer, or if you want to write something, you can write. So you can align this how you want to arrange. Mm, so the entire text want to become like corner, can select this. So there is some error it is showing. Let me correct that error. Which text area? Okay, some syntax error. Not allowed. Yeah, there is something, some extra characters or something. So just attribute. Okay, strong is not allowed. Okay. So what it is saying is the bold it is, right? It should not be the bold. Yeah, I'll remove these things just for, yeah, okay. So even this is not required for this much of lengthy. So you can keep this your footer like this, or if you want to add more images or background, you can add it. Okay. So now we can divide this column into the multiple columns also again. So I want to be divide this into the three columns. How I'm dividing these three columns? So if you see here, I'm just selected here. Here the number of columns. If you click the plus, it will be adding. If you click on the minus, it will be dividing. So now I want to divide this as a 20, 20, and 40. Okay, so what I have to do, here the column width, I'll keep it as a 4, even 4 also it's a too huge. 3, yes, 3, and then here also I'll keep it as 3 and 2. Okay, this type of dividing also we can do that here. So now if you want to add any HTML, you can add an HTML or buttons or images or rich text area. So let's go for the HTML. So I'm just going here, insert HTML. So if you have any HTML editor or HTML code with your handy, you just copy paste here, or else you can write the HTML. Happening here. Something the error HTML is not allowed. Okay. Might be the it is built in HTML, so we just write a other than the HTML, other things we can write. Okay, you can keep it as a bold B tag. Okay, and then there is some options format. If you just click format, it will be the formatting. And if you want to use other, like if you have a handy some code, you can copy paste the code. Okay, so this is what here, and you can add the buttons also. So I'm just adding a button in header in middle part. So the button name is click for new offers I'll give. If you have any URL, you can just give the URL which has to be navigate. So for now, I'm just giving a login.salesforce.com where you can use the merge fields also. So let's assume you have a link field for that button, or you want to open in public page that button, you can open that. Okay. So every place you have the styles, you can use the styles. Button color, if you want to change, you can change the button color. So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm matching with the template. I'm just selecting this color, the button color, and then button border color. It's not required to do the change. I want to change the button text color. I'll okay, font Arial. I want to be the king. So this is what you can do this, and then at the end we used image, rich text, everything. Okay. So I said right, drag and drop here. You can do the drag and drop also. Yes, rich text area again. You can drag and drop here wherever you want. So you can copy paste some text again. You can copy paste some text. If you have in some any HTML code also, you can do that. So this time I'll do bit different. I just paste it here and I'll remove the and then I'll do some. Or if you want to be the line gaps, you can do that line gaps. If you want to more line gaps, you can do the more line gaps. Or if you want to be divided into the separate, you can divide. Okay, so this is what here. So I just did some random things. I hope you understood. So I'm just giving here ideas. I'm not doing any real-time examples. So I hope you have understood. So I'm just saving this. We'll see how it will looks after save, after sending the email, how it looks. Yeah, it is saved. So I'm just going back to the builder. So our email template got saved successfully. As I said initially, the once you edit in a builder, it will be the checkbox will be checked. Okay, so this is how it looks. Your component. Yes, there is a some dry area. You can. I said right. I'm just giving ideas how we can do. I'm not doing any real time examples here. Okay, let's jump to use this. How we can use this? Usually, hmm, we will have the option to test right here. We don't have, unfortunately. Maybe Salesforce is going to looking on that. So I'm just going to the charter. From the charter, we don't have email option. I mean, we have, but I'm not configured. Okay, let's go for email list. Let's jump to the email list. Send list email. Okay, I want to select the template. Okay, contact us. I think this is yes. This is our recipient. Okay, to whom we have to send. Okay, okay, and gmail.com. Okay, I'm just sending this email. Okay, send the email, add a name, contact, history. Okay, so what I have to do, I have to be create a one contact to check that. I'll just create one contact quickly, or else I'll use the existing contact to update my email address. No contacts is available. Yeah, of course, it's a new arc I created. Okay, Kamal Rao. Yep. Where is email address? Yes. Yes, this is the email address. I'm just saving. Let's go and find for Kamal. Hmm. You just we have an email option here. I'll try to send from here. Okay. Yes. Subject. Okay, I'll just remove this. I want to insert a email template, which is a yes. I'm just sending this to my email address. Let me open my email. Let is it visible? Yeah, it has sent. Let me check my email. Yes, I have received the email. See? Yeah, the image has not loaded. Yes, the image also it's loaded. Yes, this will be look like this. Yeah, you can click on this. It will navigating to the page which we have given a login.salesforce.com. Okay, so this is what I plan to explain today. Yep, I hope you understood. Uh, and you going forward, you can use this the builder to do the more to do the more quality email template. Okay, so hope yeah, thank you for viewing my video. And please do subscribe if still you have not subscribed, and please do share this video. Who knows the Salesforce? Thank you so much.